Welcome to Raider Trading. This guide will get you up and running in under 10 minutes. We'll install TradeStation, load your indicators, and launch the software. Let's get started. Step 1. Install TradeStation Desktop with OptionStation Pro. First, set up your TradeStation account if you haven't already. Then, go to TradeStation.com and log in. Click Platforms and download Desktop with OptionStation Pro. This is the only version that works with Raider Trading. Your browser may warn you that the file is unverified. This is expected. Proceed with the download. Before you install, right-click your desktop and open Display Settings. Click on your primary monitor and go to Scale and Layout. Set the text scale to exactly 100%. Use a 16:9 display ratio with TradeStation in full screen. You can also use a 32:9 ultra-wide with TradeStation snapped to the left half of the screen. Other ratios will work, but may need coordinate adjustment later. Now run the TradeStation setup file from your Downloads folder. During installation, set monitors to 1, even if you have multiple displays. If TradeStation prompts you to update, click Update Now to finish with the latest version. Step 2. Load the TradeStation archive. Log into RaiderTrading.com and download the TradeStation archive file. This is the file called RaiderTrading.tsa. Next, log into your TradeStation simulated trading account. Navigate to File, Backup/Restore TradeStation, then click Restore TradeStation Archive. Click Browse, select the RaiderTrading.tsa file you just downloaded, then click Open and start Restore. TradeStation will ask you to close the current instance. Go ahead and close it. You don't need to save the default workspace. When the restore completes, TradeStation may ask if you want to overwrite existing studies and strategies. Click Proceed to confirm. This replaces TradeStation's default indicators with the Raider Trading indicators. If the update or restore failed for any reason, close the automatic update window and navigate to Help, Update Manager, and install the update from this window. Now log back into your TradeStation simulated account. Close any open workspaces. Towards the upper left portion of the screen, click Auto Hide to minimize the top trade bar. Then, navigate to View, Application Toolbars, and click Hide All. Next, click File, Preferences, and Desktop. Then select the Sessions tab. Click Stocks, Custom Sessions, View and Customize. Make sure the 24-hour template is selected, and click OK on both remaining windows. Finally, head back to File, then click Workspaces, Open Workspaces, highlight both charts and orders. Click Open and wait for the workspaces to load. Click Open Windows with Items Enabled, then click the Charts tab near the bottom left. Right-click on the 10-second bar chart, go to Studies, and click Edit Studies. Scroll down and double-click Global Account _ Broadcaster. Click Inputs and replace the placeholder text with your simulated account number. Keep it inside the quotes, then click OK. You can also double-click a Global Base Risk Broadcaster. Click Inputs, replace the value, and click OK. This will save the value across all tickers and sessions. Step 3. Launch the Raider Trading software. Log into RaiderTrading.com and download the Raider Trading executable. Run the file. Your antivirus may flag it as unknown. This is normal for new software. Allow it to run. The login window will appear. sign in with your RaiderTrading.com email and password. Once you're logged in, the Raider Trading control panel will appear. The subregions, live preview, should already be aligned properly within TradeStation. If the subregions are not aligned, click Set Box, then hold left-click and drag within TradeStation from the upper left to the bottom right of the subregion area to recalibrate. When you're ready, select your trading mode, long or short, then click Start. Click anywhere inside the 10-second chart. You should see the chart border highlight in blue confirming focus. That's it. You're all set. The software will now monitor your chart, detect signals, and execute trades automatically based on your selected strategy. When closing TradeStation for the first time after setup, save all workspaces and desktops so it opens everything automatically in the future. For questions or support, visit RaiderTrading.com/contact. Happy trading.